Hello, it's me again for this part 11 of the chopping down the tree. And right now they still hear those workers. Yep, and I see these two guys right now, they have a string or something. Let's hope they won't be cutting down any more trees. Or maybe they're making a mark, who the hell knows. But we're going to watch and see what happens. Right now it's about 4:40 in the afternoon in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. It's 82 degrees. On August 16, 2022. See this right now? Yep. They just took down some trees. Let me check there. Are they chopping it down? Or maybe just pulling it down. Summer's almost over. We got 5 weeks left of summer. Yep. It's been a hot summer this year a lot in Pennsylvania. But we had some floods in Las Vegas, Nevada. Flooding hotels, homes, businesses, everything. Usually Las Vegas is supposed to be hot. What's these men doing anyway? They just talking? Uh-oh. They're chopping down this one. Holy mackerel. I freaking love those trees. They got no right to do this shit. No friggin' right. I hope they die when they burn in hell for this. Let's hope they work just for today. Hope it doesn't come back tomorrow. Uh-oh! This is all going to be going on live right on those YouTube audiences to let them understand how the city is. They're just freaking greedy. We've been doing a lot of videos taping today. Uh-oh. I got a feeling they're going to shake it down. Bulldozer again. I wish they'd get the hell out of here. They've been at it about since 8:30 this morning. They've been here. Maybe unless if they making like a boundary line or something. Oh, I think they're gonna chop it down. You hear that chainsaw? The cutter. Uh-oh. You see it? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh! Timber! Yep. We just saw it live for the YouTube audience. That's the way we freaking feel about it. Yep. Wait until the smoke clears out. Yep. My camera needs some serious charging. Yep. So thank you for watching those 11 or 10 videos of the chopping down the tree. So I'll try to comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like those videos, and hopefully I'll see you a little bit later. If not, maybe we'll do more videos. So just take care, subscribe or comment. Bye.